Hello again, Nutrimetics family. I am back again to do another makeup tutorial for a new product that's being launched. We're really gonna love this one. Introducing the new Silk Fusion Foundation from Nutrimetics, an advanced upgrade from the Flawless Air Serum Foundation, and their new custom color drops. An incredible way to modify your foundation shade to perfect it to your skin tone. We now get to wear foundation with 87% skincare ingredients. The new Silk Fusion Foundation combines the benefits of dermatologically tested skincare with your makeup for a flawless base and a radiant glow. I will demonstrate step by step how to go from this to this. All right, let's begin. First and foremost, I created this gorgeous, simple eyeshadow look using Nutrimetics' refillable color palettes to create and customize your own eyeshadow, bronzer, blush, and highlighters into one compact case. To elevate any look, add on some eyeliner and your favorite pair of fresh lashes, and you're good to go. To ace your flawless base, moisturization is essential. You can never go wrong with the Age Repair Cream. How glowy. Next, you want to go in with your blurring face primer and apply that to any areas where you may have enlarged pores or some texture. Just like the name states, it will blur out your skin and prepare it for foundation application. Okay, for the Silk Fusion Foundation, I am in the shade Calico. However, I want to show you how to color match correctly for your skin tone. Be sure to swatch your foundation on your face and not your neck to correctly identify if the color is too light, clearly in this case, just right, or too dark. Now that we've accurately color matched, I want to show you how the custom color drops can modify your foundation.
I'm swatching Pearl on the back of my hand. It is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I take the custom color drops, give it a good shake, and apply 1 drop to the foundation. Now watch how the foundation deepens and becomes a perfect match to my skin.
You can visibly see the difference. Now let's match it to my actual shade. This is the color Calico, which I will be applying on my face. Perfect match. I will also show you how versatile this product is. 1 dot on either side of my face, and using Nutrimetics' flat buffer brush, buff that straight into the skin. The custom color drops are so versatile that you can actually underlay your contour before you apply your foundation. By doing so, you're building the contour underneath, giving your skin a radiant glow. Because these drops are packed with antioxidants, soothes, moisturizes, and repairs the skin and gives you a bit of color. Those that are on the go and have no time to glam, this is a great way to create your own tinted moisturizer by adding a couple of drops into your favorite moisturizer. Grab your color corrector stick and apply that to the areas where you may have some redness. Using the flat buffer brush, just press that into the skin to neutralize any of those red and unwanted undertones. 1 pump of the Silk Fusion Foundation in the shade Calico, blot it all over my face. You want to avoid the under eye area because too much product packed into there can create cakiness and emphasize any fine lines or wrinkles that you may have around the eye. This foundation is packed with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. These 2 skincare ingredients not only hydrate the skin, but also minimizes the appearance of pores, redness, and texture. The medium coverage allows for buildability. So if you want to wear this light, you use 1 pump all over the face. If you want to build it more full coverage look, or if you have some acne scars or problematic areas that need more coverage, just add 1 more pump onto the brush and all over the face. I can feel how lightweight, radiant, and velvety it is. Now, just having the foundation on my skin with 1 pump, I don't feel like I'm actually wearing anything on. And if you notice, by pressing onto my skin, I don't have any fingerprints or marks. The Complete Cream Concealer is my go-to. And I love the fact that it is creamy, bright, and lightweight. Applying this underneath the eyes, center of the forehead, on the chin, not only will I be highlighting, but building coverage on the skin.
Using the flat buffer brush, go ahead and press your concealer and blend it into the skin. It is the perfect tool to give you a seamless blend. Now to set the concealer in place, grab your translucent loose powder, press the product in the back of your hand, and gently apply it to the areas that you have concealed.
Using the powder and blush brush, I'm just going to go ahead and dust away any of the excess translucent powder that's underneath my eye. I do want to show you how the custom color drops work as a contour on top of the foundation. Apply a few dots, and using the flat buffer brush, press that into my skin. Now, you don't have to set this look, but if you do want to build the contour, go ahead and grab your refillable palette, get the bronzer in Radiant Sun. Using your powder and your blush brush, pick up the product, tap off the excess, and build your contour. My favorite new blush is Coral Blush. Tap off the excess.
And apply that to the apples of the cheek.
I'd be lost without my Beauty Intense mascara. Apply that underneath eyelashes and open up the eye. More Cherry Glow.
And there you have it, silky smooth and radiant.
Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you learned how to ace your base.